Hello and welcome to this tutorial on BS4 library in Python. Beautiful Soup or BS4 for short is a Python library used for web scraping purposes. Basically, it allows us to extract data from HTML and XML files by parsing the structure of the document and providing an easy to use API for navigating through it. So introducing BS4 Beautiful Soup, it provides a set of tools for parsing HTML and XML documents and extracting useful information from them. With BS4, you can easily navigate the structure of the web page, find specific elements and extract data from them. BS4 is widely used in web scraping and data mining projects and is known for its flexibility, ease of use, and powerful features. It is compatible with various parsers, including LXML, HTML, FileLib, and the built-in Python parser. This means that BS4 can work with different types of HTML and XML document and can handle poorly formed markup as well. Overall, BS4 is an essential tool for anyone looking to extract data from web pages and is a must-have library in any Python web scraping project. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of web scraping using BS4. We will start by installing the library and setting up our environment, and then we will dive into parsing HTML files, navigating the documentary, and extracting the data using various methods provided by BS4. Whether you are new to web scraping or a seasoned pro, this tutorial will provide you with the knowledge you need to get started with PS4 and extract valuable data from web pages. So let's get started. Imagine you are a cryptocurrency trader and you want to keep track of the latest market trends. By web scraping data from cryptocurrency websites, you can get real time information about cryptocurrency prices, market cap, and trading volumes. This can help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell a particular cryptocurrency. One real life use case of Beautiful Soup 4 library is in the field of digital marketing. Many companies use web scraping to collect data on their competitors' website, such as pricing information, product description, and customer feedback. This information can then be used to inform their own marketing and sales strategies. For example, a company selling home appliances may use the web scraping to collect information on their competitors' product, including pricing, feature, and customer review. They can then analyze this data to identify the trends and patterns in the present market and adjust their own product offerings and pricing strategies accordingly. Another good example could be a company that provide a financial services such as investment management or financial advisory. They may use web scraping to collect financial data such as stock prices, market trends, and various news articles from various websites. This data can be analyzed to identify the investment opportunities, track market performance, and make informed financial decisions. Basically, in all of these examples, the use of Beautiful Soup 4 allows companies to efficiently and effectively extract the data from websites and use it to improve their business strategies. Flexibility and ease of use of the library make it a valuable tool for any company looking to harness the power of web scraping in their operations. Now we have this problem statement. Write a web scraping program to get the prices of cryptocurrency from coinmarketcap.com and print them in values. We need to first of all install the library Beautiful Soup by passing the command pip install Beautiful Soup 4 in our terminal. I already installed it, so I don't need to install it. I use here Visual Studio Code for a demo purpose. I need to import required libraries such as Beautiful Soup, Request, Pandas, JSON, and Time. Now I have to create a variable URL. Then we can use request library, get the content of coinmarketcap.com website by using request.get and pass the URL in it. Then we need to create a beautiful soup to parse the HTML content of the website. So we require response.content. After that, we can print the title of the website using soup.title. Just run this and you will get the title of the website. Just comment it out and try to print the HTML content of the website. Just save it and run it. Oh, we got error. It says we can't encode the characters. Okay, so I got error. Just I need to pass encode, sorry, a dot encode and UTF hyphen 8. So here you go. The whole HTML document is there till the last is printed. Okay. So we can also print the prettified version of the HTML content using the soup.prettify method. We know that. Now next we just extract JSON data. Okay. So for that we need to find the table on the page that contains the cryptocurrency data. For that we required a table variable as well as a row variable. For row variable, for that table we need to have a class called CMC hyphen table in that website only. For rows variable, we need to find all rows. After that, we need to create an empty list to store the data with variable of data. Next, we need to loop through each row and store the data in the list. So for that, we need to use a for loop for row in rows. Columns equal to row, find all columns and extract the text from each column and strip any white spaces. So for that we need to use columns.text and in that text we need to apply a very method called as strip. It strip any white spaces present in it and we need to limit that column to the 8 columns. Okay. And last but not least we need to just append our columns in the that empty list we have created that data. This is the logic. Now we need to create a data frame, right? So we need to create a data frame from data list with column names specified and printed. So we have just df equal to pd.dataframe and all this. Now we just need to print the data frame and that's all. Here we go. Our rank name, volumes and circulating supplies. We have 100 rows and 8 columns in a data set. We have restricted the columns, limit the columns to 8. Finally, we can save the data frame as a CSV file using the to_CSV method. This concludes our explanation of the code for web scraping cryptocurrency data from coinmarketcap.com using Beautiful Soup 4 in Python. In conclusion, BS4 is a powerful library that can be used to extract data from HTML and XML documents. Its ease of use and flexibility make it a popular choice for web scraping projects. The use case we discussed in this video highlights the real world applications of web scraping the financial industry. With the ability to extract data from thousands of websites, web scraping has the potential to revolutionize the way financial institutions collect and analyze the data. If you are interested in learning more about web scraping, be sure to check out our other videos on the topics. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.